welcome to Little Learners. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these very simple yet very effective stacking Christmas trees. This activity is great for so many different age groups and you can really just have so much fun with it. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to need 3 circles, each one slightly smaller than the last, made out of card or paper. Then cut them in half so you have 6 semicircles. These can either be pre-cut or you can have the children cut them depending on their age and stage. This is actually enough for us to make 2 Christmas trees, so we're going to get rid of half of those so that we have 3 semicircles, a big, a medium and a small. These are looking quite boring though, so we're going to have the children paint them in Christmas colours or really whatever they want to do. Once they are all decorated and dry, we're going to make the cones. Now, children can make the cone shape with you, depending on their age and stage and their ability. They might be able to make this cone completely independently, or they might need some support from you. Just use some glue on the edge, and when you are making the cone, be sure to overlap with a bit of a lip there so that you can stick it down. And then you should have 1 big cone, 1 medium cone and 1 small cone, and these can then be stacked on top of each other to make your Christmas tree. It really is as easy as that. And of course you can get as creative as you like. So we can of course decorate our paper or card before we make the Christmas trees, or we can use coloured card and paper, shiny card and paper, and if you want to make an even bigger, taller tree, then just use more circles. So you can see here that some of my trees have 4 layers because I used 4 circles to make 4 cones. Once you have your entire forest of trees, children can also then mix and match and stack them however they want to. So this really is the craft that keeps on giving. If you do end up making one of these Christmas trees, do let me know in the comments below or tag me on Instagram. I would love to see it. I hope you have a wonderful Christmas, however you are celebrating, and I will see you next time.